Yeah, thanks so much, guys. We're going to finish with this one. This song is all about why we love music, I guess. And it's just a whole thing of finding comfort in sound. And if you want to, at the end, please join in with the refrain, wave after wave. We did actually manage to get a Mexican wave going, doing that at one point in the pub in the Lamb, which was quite impressive. You don't have to do a Mexican wave. Dave wants everyone to go instead of saying wave after wave. That just tells you a little bit about what Dave was up to last night.
Number for remembering names, I do it a lot. As soon as you said, I quickly forgot. When you turn the radio on, oh, I know what I heard. I remember it all as you sang out the words. Try and find me someplace I can hear. Plug me into something I can feel. I'm safe and sound, it's all that I need. Everything will come down to a single heartbeat. I'm safe and sound, it's wave after wave. Everything will come down to the beautiful sound that you make. Everything is falling apart, and nothing seems clear. I turn it on up, and it all disappears. Everyone is on my back, and I can't seem to find a clear place in my soul and a peace in my mind. Find me someplace I can hear. Plug me into something I can feel. I'm safe and sound, it's all that I need. Everything will calm down to a single heartbeat. I'm safe and sound, it's wave after wave. Everything will come down, beautiful sound that you make. Not one for remembering names, I do it a lot. As soon as you said, I quickly forgot. Wave after wave, wave after
Thanks everyone. That was such a pleasure. Thank you so much. Hopefully see you later on. I'll see you right there.